Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Red Tail RC Airplane is a premium remote control aircraft designed for adult RC enthusiasts and warbird lovers. This 6-channel RC airplane features a stunningly detailed replica of the iconic P-51 Mustang, complete with a 66.9-inch, 1,700mm, wingspan, making it a standout both in performance and aesthetics. The model is equipped with functional flaps, enhancing its maneuverability and enabling smoother landings and takeoffs. LED navigation lights add a realistic touch while improving visibility during low-light flights. Additionally, electric retractable landing gear further enhances the plane's realism and functionality. Designed as a P&P, plug-and-play, kit, the package includes the aircraft, pre-installed electronics, and servos, but excludes a radio transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger, allowing hobbyists the flexibility to customize their setup according to preferences. This model is perfect for intermediate to advanced RC pilots due to its size and detailed features. With its durable construction and aerodynamic design, the P-51 Mustang delivers stable and powerful performance in the air, replicating the legendary Warbird's agility and speed. The attention to detail in its paint scheme and build quality pays homage to the Red Tails, the famed Tuskegee Airmen of World War II. In summary, the FMS P-51 Mustang Red Tail RC Airplane is an exceptional choice for experienced RC enthusiasts looking for a large-scale, high-performance warbird model. Its combination of detailed craftsmanship, advanced features like flaps and retractable gear, and customization potential makes it a thrilling and rewarding addition to any RC collection. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is a beginner-friendly remote control airplane designed for kids, adults, and aspiring pilots. With a compact 500mm wingspan, this 4-channel RC airplane is lightweight, durable, and easy to transport, making it ideal for first-time users. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the Sport Cub ensures stable flight and smooth controls, reducing the learning curve for beginners. The plane features 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. These modes allow users to gradually increase control and skill, making it suitable for learners and those seeking a more challenging flying experience. The Prop Saver is a thoughtful design addition that protects the propeller during rough landings or crashes, enhancing the plane's durability and minimizing repair costs. The Ready to Fly (RTF) kit includes everything needed to get started, including a pre-assembled airplane, remote control, battery, and charger, making setup quick and easy. Despite its small size, the Sport Cub offers impressive performance with responsive controls and stable flight patterns, making it fun for both outdoor and indoor flying in suitable spaces. Its bright red design improves visibility in the air, and the lightweight construction ensures safe operation. In summary, the Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is an excellent choice for beginners looking to learn the basics of RC flying. With its stabilizer technology, adjustable flight modes, and durable design, it provides an enjoyable and stress-free introduction to the world of RC aviation. Whether for kids or adults, this compact and versatile trainer is a great way to start flying confidently. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane BNF Basic is a versatile and feature-packed RC airplane designed for pilots of all skill levels. With a 1.5-meter wingspan, this model delivers a great balance of performance, stability, and maneuverability, making it suitable for both casual flying and aerobatic adventures. Equipped with AS3X technology, the plane provides enhanced stability by counteracting wind and turbulence, while Safe Select Mode offers beginner-friendly features like self-leveling and angle limits, allowing new pilots to fly with confidence. For more experienced flyers, Safe Select can be easily turned off for full control. The turbo timber includes functional flaps for short takeoffs and landings, STOL, making it ideal for flying in confined spaces or rough terrain. Additionally, optional floats are included, enabling exciting water takeoffs and landings. This versatility allows users to enjoy flying in a wide variety of environments, from fields to lakes. As a bind-and-fly (BNF) basic model, the airplane requires a compatible Spectrum transmitter, battery, and charger, sold separately. This setup allows hobbyists to use their preferred components and customize their experience. The turbo timber's lightweight yet durable design features reinforced EPO construction for resilience against crashes, while its brushless motor provides reliable power and efficiency. LED lights are also pre-installed, enhancing visibility and enabling low-light flying. In summary, the Turbo Timber 1.5 RC Airplane BNF Basic is a highly capable and versatile aircraft. With its advanced stabilization technology, STOL capability, and included floats, it caters to a wide range of flying scenarios and skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this plane offers thrilling and adaptable RC flying experiences. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 RC Plane is an excellent entry-level remote control airplane designed for beginners, kids, and hobbyists of all ages. With its simple and user-friendly design, this two-channel RC airplane offers an accessible introduction to the world of RC flying. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the FX803 provides smooth and stable flight, making it easy for beginners to control and build confidence. Its 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures a reliable connection with minimal interference, allowing for longer distances and multiple planes to fly simultaneously. Constructed from durable EPP foam, the airplane is lightweight yet resilient, capable of withstanding minor crashes and rough landings, which is ideal for learners. The glider design enhances its aerodynamic performance, offering longer flight times and smoother glides, even at slower speeds. This RC plane is ready to fly, RTF, meaning it comes pre-assembled with everything needed to get started, including the airplane, remote controller, and built-in rechargeable battery. The compact size and lightweight build make it suitable for flying in small outdoor spaces such as parks or backyards. The Makerfire FX803 is perfect for kids and adults looking to experience the joy of RC flying without the complexity of more advanced models. It provides a balance of simplicity and performance, ensuring an enjoyable and stress-free experience. In summary, the Makerfire FX803 RC Plane is a reliable and beginner-friendly aircraft that combines stability, durability, and ease of use. Its lightweight design, gyro stabilization, and straightforward controls make it a great choice for anyone starting their RC flying journey, providing hours of fun and learning. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-friendly RC airplane designed for both adults and kids. It offers an enjoyable and accessible flying experience, making it ideal for those new to remote control aircraft. This RC plane is equipped with 3 flight modes, which simplify controls and enhance ease of use. The modes include beginner, intermediate, and advanced, allowing pilots to gradually develop their skills and confidence. The plane also features a simple one-key U-turn function, which helps prevent crashes and enables smoother recoveries during flights. Designed with a lightweight yet durable frame, the aircraft can withstand minor bumps and crashes, making it suitable for learners. The streamlined design and efficient aerodynamics ensure smooth flight performance, providing stable and responsive handling. The included 2.4 GHz remote control offers a reliable connection with minimal interference, enabling steady communication between the controller and the plane. The Leambe RC plane is ready to fly, RTF, meaning it comes pre-assembled and includes everything needed to start flying right away. This setup minimizes the hassle of assembly, making it easy for beginners to jump into the action. With its beginner-friendly features and durable construction, the Leambe RC aircraft is perfect for outdoor use in parks, backyards, or open fields. Its intuitive controls and multiple flight modes make it fun and accessible for pilots of all ages and skill levels. In summary, the Leambe remote control aircraft plane is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a straightforward, fun, and reliable RC airplane. Its multiple flight modes, one key U-turn feature, and ready-to-fly design make it a versatile and user-friendly option for both kids and adults.